Like any groundbreaking technology out there, Sync seeks to make your life easier. But it deserves time, attention, and patience up front. Because, like any new technology, Sync rewards a little effort getting to know it. Before you get started, remember, the best place to learn Sync is right in your driveway. Think of Sync as a remote control that lets you access your phone while driving, so you can keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. When you use a voice command or press a button, Sync passes those instructions onto your phone. Once connected, you'll listen to calls through your car's speakers and respond in a normal conversational voice. All of this works through Bluetooth, a technology that passes information from device to device. So if you want to fully understand Sync, you should understand your phone, how it works, what it can do, and what it can't. It's a partnership. Sync can't make your phone do anything the phone itself doesn't support. Make sure your phone and everything stored on it are up to date, and that it's well charged. Phones sometimes turn off Bluetooth to conserve energy. Your media player works with Sync in a similar way to your phone. Sync responds to commands from the media player, and how well it works depends on the type of player you have. Here's a look at the Sync interface, which, as you can see, isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Sync is customized to fit the layout and needs of each vehicle. The design may look different from one vehicle to the next, but the commands are similar. So if what you see in troubleshooting videos or in a manual doesn't match what you see in your car, don't worry. Just check out the fundamentals and apply them to your setup. Or check out syncmyride.com for more information. And make sure you know the location of all your buttons, like the OK button, which tells Sync to proceed through menus. As you interact with Sync, certain sounds will tell you what's going on. A positive tone, for instance, tells you that everything's working smoothly. A negative tone tells you Sync had trouble understanding you. And this sound means that Sync is listening and ready for a command. We cover the specifics of these buttons and commands in other videos. Since Sync is a partnership involving your phone, Sync, and you, it's dynamic and subject to change just like you, or your phone, or the technology of the world around you, which is pretty exciting because it means you can get the latest cutting-edge experience. And that's why you'll find new ways to keep in touch and troubleshoot right here. Stick with us to see more videos about certain topics or read the latest comments from customers like you in our forums. And you can always find more support anytime at syncmyride.com.